living in the dark. That's why poets gotta shine so bright. Show the world that we got the inner light. That's why poets never on TV. Breathing life into the tongues of the free. Cause the TV can't take the way that we talk. Lost in celebrity, obsessed with sport. Can't broadcast to the heart of the source. Can't share the path that the ancestors walk. Be nice to think we formed a link between us all before the walls come tumbling down.
So you're going to do exactly what I'm doing with my body, okay? Okay?
Pirates call swords. What do pirates call their swords? Yeah, cutlasses. And most of the time I draw cutlasses are drawn quite curvy, but actually they were all kind of really long and straight like that. Around his waist. Pardon? Yeah. A bit of belt. What sort of things do pirates like tucking in their belts? Guns.
Iawn, iawn te, codwch eich llygau a dewch i ddawnsio! Mae'n sefyll! Dewch i ddawnsio! Cilo dwylo! Blynu coesau! A chwifio beichen! Hwri! Chwifio beichen, blynu coesau, cilo dwylo nawr o ie! Hwri! Dwi'n dawnsio drwy y bore a dawnsio yn y brynhawn!
Okay, you first, and then you, and then you. a very troublesome son. And owned by her was a terribly oppressed slave boy. Rwyf bychan, Wyf Kelvin.
Feast my lightning bolts. Whoa, feast my lightning bolts. That was a nice one. Oh, well, not that nice. Okay, and I'll come back to you. Hold that thought. Fire and lightning. Fire and lightning. Brilliant. Get that clap going. And I'm going to point to the people.
Sounds a bit grumpy, doesn't it? It sounds like him when he gets up in the morning. Hey, watch it. Well done. You go stand by Dudley Man a minute now. Let this young man around. Go. Come on, dude. What's your name? Oh, your name's Dude. That's a funny name. What's your second name? Duda. Dude and Duda. Too clever for you. Good. You are. Hold that there. Ready? Push, pull. Hey, steady. Should have done the risk assessment. I like your dance.
We beat the box starter, bubbling up just like lava, heated like a sauna, penetrating through your body armor.
That was exciting.